Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're making a pineapple and pink clay facial and body mask. Let's get started. Okay, today we're making a pineapple and pink clay mask, and you'll need your ingredients. You'll need oatmeal. We have colloidal oatmeal here, but certainly regular oatmeal would work just fine in your mask. Arrowroot powder, pink clay, bromelain, and pineapple fragrance oil. This is a really simple, really easy mask to make, and it's a dry mask so that there's no preservative necessary. We're just going to add our ingredients to the bowl. This pink clay is so pretty. And finally, bromelain. And we're going to mix this up before we add our fragrance oil. And you want to make sure that when you're using clay, that you don't use metal utensils. They can react with the clay and cause results that you don't want. Okay, so just go ahead and mix that thoroughly. And this, this is actually a really good example of weight versus volume. So this is 1 pound. This recipe makes approximately 1 pound. And you can see that there is no way that this 1 pound is going to fit into a 16 ounce or 1 pound jar. It's way too much powder. Okay, so now that we have that mixed up, kind of making a mess, but that's all right. Now that we have that mixed up, we can add our pineapple fragrance oil. So don't be afraid to add oil to powder when you're talking essential oils. There's so little oil that it disperses through the powder and it won't clump up, I promise. So we're just going to pour that on there, and then we're going to mix it into the powder. And you'll probably be neater than I'm being right now, or maybe not. You could also, if you like the sensory experience, put gloves on and mix the powder with your hands. That's fine too. Okay, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to use this. So you can hydrate your mask with yogurt, with milk, with water, with juice, pretty much anything that will add moisture. You should only hydrate as much as you're going to use immediately. As this is not preserved, clays do grow bacteria very quickly. So if you want to make this a wet mask and you want to sell it, you're going to want to make sure that you preserve it properly. So we hope you enjoy your new pineapple and pink clay mask. Thanks for watching today. Please subscribe for more great videos, and you can click the More button directly below this video for the full recipe.